very very good moment for us to focus how to invest in Indonesia. So basically, New York, Indonesia. Next, New York, Indonesia Investment Forum. Next. Yeah. Next. Okay, next. Basically, Indonesia is already declared that for 2023, the target of the investment to Indonesia is 1,009 trillion. So basically, this is the increase more than 50% than this year. Next. Next. So basically, why we invest to Indonesia? Basically, a lot of things that we know that Indonesia have a lot of islands. We have more than 17,000 islands. Basically, we are the the population is more than 270 million people. So this is the fourth most populations in the world. And also we also the 10th largest economy in the world in terms of power parity. And also we have the largest percentage of young people in the world. So basically this is very important that young people percentage in Indonesia is very huge and the largest in the world. So basically the future of this country is on in the hand of the young people, and they the one who make disruptions in every single area, and they change a lot. And this is the future of Indonesia and also future of the world. The other thing is Indonesia economy is the fastest growing in the world. And the other thing, a lot of people in the world mentioned that Indonesia predicted as the fourth largest economy in the world by 2045. We can see the growing very fast. The growth is very fast, especially in the young people. And we can see right now in Jakarta, we have more than 200 largest shopping malls. This is not only small shopping malls like we have in Hong Kong or Singapore, but this is very, very huge 200 shopping malls. Next. Next. Yeah. Next. Okay. Uniqueness. We go to the uniqueness of Indonesia Investment Forum. Basically, this investment forum. Next. Or go back. Because the operator is not in our place. Can you back? Hello? Okay. The uniqueness of Indonesia Investment Forum, basically this is a private initiative. So because of the private, so the process and procedure is less bureaucratic and less formality. And the other thing is this focus on the sector by sectors. And the other thing is mostly we do it monthly basis conference. Why we do it monthly basis conference? Because by sectors. We want to focus by sectors. So basically, by sectors, we have to invite global investor that focus on that sector, and also the investee that focus in that sector. The other thing is in the global, we make it not in Indonesia, but in Singapore, Hong Kong, and New York. So basically, we do it in global investment cities. For the investors, it's not only capital market, but also non-capital market investors. And also, investor is some investors, strategic investor, and the other investor is portfolio investors. And investee, basically, we open for any single entity from Indonesia that's looking for investors that considers corporations, state-owned enterprises, provinces. Yeah, we need to help provinces in Indonesia They need investment so badly. And cities also, startups, companies, and many like small, medium enterprises that we think to make a bundle of them so we can bring them to global investors. And we have integrated services. And the other thing that we do uniquely is we handle the domestic and global news management carefully, not only in Indonesia, but also the global news, investment news. And the other thing is we do the mainstream and social media. So like this webinar, we have 5 different platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Zoom. So basically, we invite so many people come and learn from the discussion. Next. Next. Hello. We go to the integrated services. Next. Hello.
It's been displayed already, Pak.
Okay. The integrated services, we start with grooming. What is grooming? Basically, we found that some provinces and farm cities in Indonesia, they need a lot of investment. They need to build their province and cities. But sometimes they don't understand how to deal with global investors. So basically, with this grooming, we help them to be able to deal with global investors. We groom them how to speak, we groom them how to communicate, we groom them how to prepare the info memo, we groom them how to do a presentation and every single things. And also we do groom them how to deal with the investors as investor relations. The other thing, we help them to make a news. So basically, global investor will understand and can feel the heartbeat of every single company, every single state-owned enterprises, every single corporation, every single province, every single cities, and every single startups. So basically, with that kind of heartbeat, global investor can understand the growth in that area, so they will invest to that particular area. The other thing is we do investment info memo also. We help them to make the investment info memo. Of course, we do the investor finding, meeting with investor, not only in the webinar, not only in the in-person conference, but also in one-on-one meeting. So one-on-one meeting is the one of the best method to meet between investee and investors. And the other thing is investor relations. From our past conference, Indonesia Investment Forum in Singapore and Hong Kong, we get more information, specifically complaint from the global investors, that basically when they do and asking something to the investee, the response is not fast. Sometimes there is no response at all. When we find out, basically, not because they don't want to respond, but they don't know how to respond. So basically, this investor relation is a pool resources that can help every single companies and province and city in Indonesia to relate with the global investor. So basically, if the global investor call, somebody from investor relations will help to answer. If global investor asking for some detailed informations, the investor relations desk will help them. Next. So basically, this year, in 2022, we already have 3 different webinars. So basically, in the three pictures, we see that this is the webinars of Indonesia Road to New York Indonesia Investment Forum. The pictures below is the in-person conference in New York, Manhattan. So we plan in September, October, and November. So basically, this is by sectors. Why by sector? As I mentioned before, because every single sectors, they have their different players, different investee, different investors also. So we have to make focus on that sectors, and not like other investment forum that this is very simple and very focused, not glamorous conference. We don't do any particular glamorous and more sophisticated or formality, but we more focus on the investor and investee match. We have 2 days in every single month. First is conference for 1 day, full conference. And the next day after that, we prepare the one-on-one meeting. So every single investee have their own room, and we plan every single investors from global will meet the investee one by one, and we give them a schedule on that. Next. Next. So what sectors that we want to do? We want to do infrastructure, agriculture, manufacturing, property, banking and finance, health, education, tourism, logistics, plantation, satellite, energy, oil and gas, mineral and coal, fishery, aviation, and startups. So many sectors, yes, because Indonesia is growing very fast and we need all of it. So basically every single month, September, October, and November, we will discuss every single sector. And after that, next year, start from February until November, almost every month, we will make Indonesia Investment Forum every month, 2 days, conference and one-on-one meeting, and focus in every single particular sectors. So basically, this is very important because we need not only ceremony, we need the deal. We need the investment come to Indonesia. Not only that, we need the technology also. So we invite also the strategic investors who want to share their knowledge, know-how, technology, and want to develop that industry in Indonesia. Next. This New York Indonesia Investment Forum basically supported by OPR, Waskita, Mitratel, Harmslah, Wika, Utama Karya, Semen Indonesia, Kata Data, Kitacom, Strategic Indonesia, Pelindo, Great Hill, Falcon House Partners, and PayPay. And basically every single month, the number of the one who support us is growing. So basically, we know that we are creating market actually, not only the event, but creating a market. And every single time we make a webinar or conference, and every single times we are running, the market is growing and growing and growing. Right now, for example, the audience of this webinar from the 5 different platforms is growing almost double than before. So basically, this is the indicator of very good indicator for us. And the other thing is also media covering us in so many publications. So this is the very, very good indicators for us. Next. Next. So basically, we invite you to visit indonesiainvestmentforum.com. And if you have some questions, you just click and send email to us. And we have a lot of email and also message that we get. That's very good for us, so we can understand you better, so we can understand how to serve you better.